What's going on, you guys? My name is Walid Azami. You do not want to miss this video because by the end of this very short video, I'm going to show you how you can get 3 months for free of whatever Adobe product you are using, and it takes 5 minutes. Alright, a little bit of a disclaimer. So I first did this with my Adobe Lightroom and my Adobe Photoshop. Now my second subscription is my Adobe Premiere Pro. So I've come in and I'm going to take you through every single steps. This whole thing should take you 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and you're going to get 3 months for free of a product you're already using, of a product you already need, but you need to have an Adobe account to benefit from this, because this is not a free trial. This is a forgiveness on 3 months of Adobe. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first things first, what I'm going to be doing is logging in to Adobe, into my Adobe account. You got to put in your password. I had to blur out my email. Just, you know, a little bit of privacy right there. Alright, there we go. So the first thing that you want to do is, why do you want to cancel? It doesn't matter. It does not matter. So I just put it's too expensive just to back up my excuse. As you can see right there, I am paying $239 a year. I go next, we go from the feedback, that's the first step, and we go into the details of my plan. So they're letting me know I'm going to lose access to my Adobe portfolio, Adobe fonts, and my storage is going to go from 120 down to 20 gigs. So it doesn't matter. I'm going to hit continue. This is the first scare tactic that they have, and we're going to go into the offers page. You're going to see it. Want a different plan? No, I don't want a different plan. What I'm going to click is Let's Chat. The second box. We're going to click Let's Chat and ask for a custom deal. They're pretty much telling you right there, hey, yeah, you can downgrade your plan, or let's negotiate. And I want you guys to click the second one. So click on Start Chat. A little window pops up on the right side, but my person, his name is Shivam, and very nice. I just wanted to say hello. And I told him right off the bat, hello, I'm looking to save money because of the COVID-19 and economic changes. And then I just straight up ask him, can you help me save some money? That's it. If you don't ask, you don't get. So I sent that. When they read it, you're going to be able to see when they read it. So they didn't ask for much. Hello, I'll be happy to assist you with that. And I was like, excellent. Thank you so much. As I can see, you have 2 active subscriptions in your account, which is the photography plan and the Premiere Pro plan. He is correct, and I just said yes. And then this is the key part. He's like, Walid, do you want to cancel any of your subscriptions? This is a key part. If you say I want to cancel it, he may not offer you something as a bonus. If you say no, you may not get it. What you want to say is, well, I'm looking at this app, the InShot app, or just iMovie. All I'm doing are YouTube videos. So if I cannot get help with the savings plan, then I might, no lying, I might cancel. And he was very friendly after that. Basically, all he said was, Walid, thank you for letting us know. To support our customers during this difficult time, we can apply a 3-month refund on your Premiere Pro plan so that you can continue to use your applications. Of course, I said this is very generous of you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. That would keep me on the plan longer. Thanks so much. So he just gave me a 3-month refund. I got 3 months for free from Adobe, and I want you guys to do it because they are trying to keep customers right now. So it's not just Adobe that wants to save you money, which we appreciate this. It's other brands too. So if you guys click subscribe somewhere right down below, I'm going to show you in my next video how you can get 2 free months of my favorite gallery. That I present this gallery to all my clients, all my bidding. So I want you guys to use it also, and you're going to get 2 months free. I'm going to show you how. So in my case, it took a while for him to get back to me. He said just a moment. It's taking longer than I expected, but I appreciate your patience. And of course I said yes, of course. He asked me to stay on the line, so you just don't want to close out the window, and that's about it. Basically, by the end of this, so I have successfully initiated the refund of $59.97, which you will receive in 5 to 7 working days. Now, let's talk about why I got a refund on this one, but a 2-month credit on my last one. The difference is, on the 2-month credit, what I have is a photography package, which is Photoshop and Lightroom. So I pay month to month, and what they're doing is they're pausing it for 2 months for me. But here's a crazy thing. I have friends that have done it, and they did the chat route. They got 3 months, so you just have to ask for it. The reason why I got 3 months refunded is because I bought a package ahead of time. I paid the whole year in advance, and so they have to refund me. My Lightroom and my Photoshop package is a monthly, so they're just going to pause it for 2 to 3 months. If you ask, they'll probably give it to you. If you don't ask, you're going to continue to pay for a product that you can get for free for 2 to 3 months. This is what companies are doing to make sure that they keep your loyalty, that they keep your business, and to help you along the way. So if anybody from Adobe is watching, we appreciate it. Thank you so much for looking out for photographers and videographers, all creative types. These small gestures mean a lot, especially to freelancers. We're going through hard times, so anything that you can do to show loyalty, to help us with our wallets, our banks, it's much appreciated. Alright guys, my name is Walid Azami. Thank you so much for watching. Please click subscribe down below, click like, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I read all comments, I answer all comments. Let me know how this works out for you. You can actually open up a different tab right now, check it out, and do this step by step as I taught you guys, and let me know how much you got, how many months for free you got, or how much of a refund you got. If you have a more expensive package, you're probably going to get a lot more than what I got or what the next person is. If you haven't yet done it, please do it and let me know how it works out for you. Alright guys, if you want to make money from photography or videography, you want to have a successful business, that's what I've done with my career. I've shot the world's biggest stars like Kanye West, J-Lo, Usher, Madonna, Mariah Carey, Bernie Sanders, Farmer John's, Volkswagen, Target, HP Computers, you name it. And now I am teaching other photographers and videographers how you can make money, how you can establish a successful business. And if you want my photographer's survival package, this is something you don't want to miss. Let me say it again. If you want my photographer's survival package, you want to click the link in the description. You're going to get an instant download and then 3 more downloads that create this full survival package for you. It's my gift to you. It's free, and I hope that you guys sign up. If you're interested in promoting your business more, click here. If you want to explain to your clients why photography costs so much, click here. This video does a good job explaining it. Thank you so much. I will talk to you guys next time. You're still here, huh? Okay, if you're here, click one of the videos. It's going to help you guys out a lot. Or click subscribe.